Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Ford Taurus SEL. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and a transmission. This Ford has less than 141,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.